Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Again represent you a very important lesson. It is about how to add moderator or editor in your Facebook page. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to page, click on the icon of page and then select which pages you have to edit. Suppose I select this one and then scroll down, go to lawyer side, and then go to settings, then click on page rules. Okay, now you got this type of interface. Here you have to include a email or name. Here you see the box, assign a name or page rule. Suppose you want to include your friends who can post or go to live or added anything to your page or included some post. So you have two options. If your friends is already included with you in your friend list, just write the name. If do not add in your friend list, just put there the email. Suppose I make someone to my page moderator. I write, suppose this one, I will make the editor of my page. I will allow the person to edit my page. Just write the name in this box and just click on edit. Okay, then you have to put your password, Facebook password. I put it. Okay, then click on submit. Okay, you see here the person is added, and here you see the pending. When he receive or accept this message, then he is able to or she is able to be the moderator or editor or admin of my page. Okay, another way you can use, when you use any email, suppose I use an email, then I find the person, just click on the person and then add. Okay, here you see the person is added. The person is added as moderator or editor. I hope you can add any person as an moderator or editor to your page. If you are newcomer to my channel, please subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much.